All right, guys, editing me. Oh God, I don't even know what my face looks like. There was no powder today, so whatever. I have just finished editing 3 videos. I made the description box for all of them. I made thumbnails for all of them. It is 4 o'clock on a Sunday. It is the Thanksgiving weekend. I am exhausted. But I technically have another video that I could, but I have to wait on something before I can work on it. That doesn't really make any sense, but. Okay, from Nordstrom, I have this Clé de Peau foundation. I mentioned once I had enough rewards points, I would grab this. So I had $60 in rewards points. So I grabbed this foundation. We'll test it out in the coming days. I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful, beautiful bottle. Beautylish, we have a couple Sonia G. So from their gift card event, I had $60 in rewards or gift cards. So I got a repurchase of this Sonia G buffer. So I have one of these already. Such a good brush. I grabbed a fan brush from her that I don't have. I have the brown one that looks similar to this. Okay, and then all the Victoria Beckham stuff. We have an eyeshadow, which I've never used before. I think this is a brown liner and one of her balms, the tints, something like that. So this itself was a kit, and then this was another kit. So those single sparkly shadows that she has. This one's in the shade Honey, and I'm really glad I waited, because there was one called Blonde, which was kind of lighter, like a light gold. This is more my speed, so I'm happy to have this. A lipstick. Look how beautiful this lipstick case is, and it's slim. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then a lip liner. So I haven't used any. I've used this before, one of these, and I've used an eyeliner, but everything else is new. I'm so excited. Okay, here we have part 2 of the Trader Joe's haul. We have pancake bread, which, repurchased, so good. So bad, but so good. 2 of my favorite Cruciferous Crunch. These are their own chocolate chip cookies. I don't know why I've never tried these before. I don't know why I didn't think they would be good, but they're really good. I don't know, I will probably buy these again. I have corn and wheat tortillas, as well as these carb savvy tortillas. I'm planning on using whatever I do with this and just making little wraps. This gingerbread sandwich cookies, we'll see how those are. Repurchase the inside out carrot cake cookies. This looks so good. I mean, little salmon, smoked salmon, cream cheese. Looks like chives. I don't know, who cares? Cream cheese and salmon. All right, guys, so I've just put my makeup on. It is so dark out. It doesn't look like it on camera, I know, but I feel like there's probably no way to show you. Oh, wait, that's not bad. That's pretty good. I have a lot of new makeup on today, so I'm really excited to share it with you. I'll do a check-in for the foundation later on today, but this is what we have, and I'm very excited. So let's show you what it is, as well as swatches. Vitamin C this morning is the I Do Care Thirst Things First. So this is one you have to shake up, and I've used a good amount of this. Why? Because it's in a spray. The Cosmetics Eye Cream and the Obagi Hydrate Luxe. Okay, so today, new foundation is the Clé de Peau Radiant Fluid Foundation Matte. This texture is very unlike what I've felt before. It is very, very thin, very buildable. And when you build it, it doesn't look like you've built it up. And sorry, it's not focusing. So I didn't powder it today, and it still looks really good. It's been on for maybe an hour. Then I have the Suku Intense Cover Concealer in 12, the Banana Lowlighter, and then, oh, that got in. That's the brush that I use for the concealer. So the bronzer is this Givenchy bronzer with the Misha Cotton Contour. And this is the Perfect Lighting Powder, which is probably the only thing we're gonna put under the eyes as long as it's winter. Okay, we have Lumify, as well as these standbys, which is the Maybelline Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara, the Weekend Brow and Regular Brow Pencil from Milani, and the Brow Flick to draw in lower lashes. This is the eyeshadow today. I sorry, I like keep trying to find better lighting to show you guys my makeup and it's like not showing, but I use all of the shades today and I thought I would really hate having them all together, but I actually really like it. It kind of, not all eyeshadow palettes. Remember when Hourglass did one, or they might still have it? I did not like the way that worked out. Probably because I didn't like the formula. The formula here is really good. So it's very easy to like blend and mix. So I just kind of like would dip my brush into multiple colors at once and use it that way. And this is the Honey Lid Luster. I have this on the middle of my lid. Started the eye look with Copper Crush from By Terry, M Cosmetics liquid liner, as well as the Victoria Beckham Cocoa liner. So her kajals are very smudgy. So because they're a kajal slash kohl type product, I find that they apply so smoothly, but then they kind of don't last the entire day, which is kind of, I guess, that's her look. So I understand that going into it. So if you are looking for long wear budge proof, it's not these eyeliners. I have her lip definer number 2 on, and this lipstick. How pretty is this bullet? Like, I'm so into this. This is in the shade Spice. It is like, it is a very, very me shade. It's a yellowy brown nude. Okay, so regarding this eyeshadow, the purple is drier and was a little slightly more difficult to work with, but everything else blended out really pretty and easy. And those are swatches. At the top is the lip. The lip is so good. I love the lip so much. Then from left to right, we have the eyeliners, the Copper Crush from By Terry, and then the 4 eyeshadows. So you can see the kind of purpley shade was it's a little drier. It's not as smooth of a swatch. And then at the end is the Honey Lid Luster. And the bottom is the bronzer from Givenchy. Okay, this is better lighting. So the lip is amazing. Love the lip so much. And then the eye makeup, oof. See, I don't want it to be too dark. Everything is just kind of blended. All the colors are all over. There's no, I mean, I started with the main shade as the crease, but everything else is, you know, as it is. And the Tarte Goddess Lashes. Okay, so we'll do a check-in, maybe 6-7 hours later when I have lunch. Okay, this is the makeup after it's been on for 6 hours. Closer to 7 hours. I've eaten food, so no more lip. I have a little bit of shininess here, but like, it is otherwise, like, I haven't even used a blotting sheet yet. This looks super good. Like, really, really good.